What's happening?
Pulling another 26 bike apart.
Let's get into it.
Yes guys, we're back this week with a brand new 2026 Triumph Bobber. This is the updated design, the bigger fuel tank, the different headlight. So we're going to be turning this into a low, wide, blacked out, chunky adventure bobber, which is part of the series that we do, and lots of other little things that are going to make this adventure bobber stand out from all the other ones that we've done before.
31 degrees Celsius.
31.
How fantabulous.
I've been cooked all weekend, and now we're being cooked today.
I'm having a great time. It's so not hot at all. Upstairs.
Lovely day. We're back.
What chain?
Yeah, I did submit, sorry.
That's all right.
You weren't available. You've seen me do it. Gold chain, S5 yokes.
Wow.
Put the bars on, forks in, and now we've got some road box wheels, carbon fibre wheels.
Holy aura.
TPC 80 tyres. We'll get them mounted up, discs on. We'd probably get this rolling in the next hour.
Sick. The reason we have to get this off this stand and rolling is because we have some very, very cool projects coming in, don't we?
That one's going to Goodwood.
It's Goodwood time.
Yep.
Let's get into it, bro.
And we're on time. Can you believe it?
That's a great segue into this. We have a few bikes going to Goodwood this year, which is great. One's a special one that you'll see in the next few weeks. But we have the Canevan bike, which you can win. If you go and click on our link in our bio on Instagram, you can see all about it.
Spend over 25 quid on filters and you're entered in.
Yeah. And at the very worst, you've got some fantastic filters in your car, bike, whatever.
Exactly. At
the very best, you get a free bike. So go into that.
That's right guys, you can win the K&N bike. Just jump on any search in and type in Thornton Hundred and K&N, and you'll be able to follow all of the instructions online. T's and C's apply. So we're having a heat wave in the UK right now, and it's so hot in the workshop. So that makes things a little bit more difficult. You guys are gonna have to excuse the fan noise.
Let's talk about these. The wavy disc is not just for looks.
You will get a sharper brake, sharper bike. Yeah, so these are TFCs are 4.5 mil.
And you get 5.5 mil. And these are a brake upgrade over the stock bobbers.
And these minimum thickness 4 mil.
Yeah.
So this is what you gain, a floating rotor with the wavy disc.
Which is what ours is anyway. So now you can have wavy disc, floating rotors, and better heat dissipation, better pad cleaning, and better looks. Top link.
Have we convinced you?
If we haven't.
What was I doing? Can't remember what we know. Oh yeah, we went on lunch.
It is so hot.
I'll tell you what this is inspired by. Yeah.
Yeah, we need to do an intro.
True dark. Truly dark.
Speaking of, Evan is sat here in the summer heat wishing he had a jacket on. His jumper got caught.
Flashback.
Why my hoodie? Why not yours? Yours has got exactly the same things.
You could stitch that in the seat like there. About 30 minutes of wearing
We'll let it warm up a little bit
before it gets cut off. Cut up.
It's really giving the tumbleweed heat right now. There's actually a tumbleweed over there. Have you had? Wow. Wow. Did you see it?
You and AI, man. Check the snap.
Top right corner.
So Evan's ripped apart all of this bike all the way back down to the frame and the engine, and then we can begin the reassembly with all of our Thornton Hundred components that you can buy at home.
Management to be done.
Oh yeah. Just cut back when that's done. There you go, rolling chassis. Really cool. You can do the exhaust.
Yeah, we could do.
Let's do that.
So Evan's fitting the twisted exhaust. This is hand built in our workshop in Milton Keynes, designed and intellectual property owned by us, which is a really, really amazing thing to be able to say.
Wow. Top right corner.
I mean, what was that?
15 minutes.
Not even that. I reckon 10 minutes.
And you too can look like me. Oh,
All right, sweet.
see you later then.
Yeah, we'll wait till we get some bits back.
Send us to the moon.
James, what do you do to that blue paint? It looks awesome. Anyway, WFB1's got a little cameo in this video now. Come back for some upgrades, relocating ECU, PMU, all of that stuff. We've actually moved over there.
Oh, this is a serious bike. If you haven't checked it out, top right corner, you can watch all the videos. I'll include some stuff.
I love this bike. Imagine having 2 bottles of nitrous strapped to your swing arm. But
Fast.
yeah,
You took it to Sanapod, no?
Needs a clean. It did. You went down the drag strip.
9 seconds or something? Silly.
I can't remember. Man, we've got some cool bikes here at the moment.
First ever SL.
Super light.
First ever WFB.
I can't.
I mean, we can film. Interesting bike. That
It's
all we
fun.
can show you is just this.
Very, very fun bike.
Savagery.
So getting back onto this bike, we put the wheels in,
Yep. Exhaust
Film
on. Yeah.
exhaust on. Things that have come back: Cerakoted headlight
What?
ring.
Wow. That looks really good.
Yeah, it does.
That's so niche. Was that a customer request?
Just blacked out.
Oh, you want to say blacked out? Nice.
So now we're going to fit pier lights. We've got the painted parts back. We can get this finished.
Let's do it.
Okay.
So Evan's fitting the pier lights. These are pretty finicky, as you'll be able to find out right now.
Yeah. Which, by the way, when you receive your pier lights, these are not correct. They're loose at the moment because you can't really get it all lined up perfect without having them on the bike.
And on that front, when we get to it, do not over tighten these. You will rip the inserts out. Evan dropped a plate.
It's not in here. I'll be amazed.
You'll be there.
I'll be amazed because it's disappeared.
Interesting.
It was on there, it dropped down there, and then being complete mock. There it is.
Done again.
I've lost it. Right, there we go. Right, let's get some lights aligned. Rough them out. Get them roughly there. We'll just level and not pointing in or out. And then just do these up equally.
2 pinch bolts. Hang on. Yes, so.
Like that.
That's what
That's
it
not
wants.
moving. Look, I'm moving the whole bike. These don't touch.
The gap.
Yeah, you need the gap so that it will clamp. So put that in there, run it around the back of that one. Bring that in there.
Show us again, sorry.
So plug your adapter in
Yeah.
around the back of this part of the loom.
Which is what we supply it with the kit.
Yeah, that will come around there.
Yeah.
This then has enough length to come in its standard housing. Round,
Let me come this side.
round and out.
Right.
Top Tips with Evan.
Right then. Integrated light pods, standard seat mount, and leather.
We haven't had leather in a long time.
Yeah, I know, everyone does Alcantara.
We back after lunch.
Yep. All plugged in, battery.
Holy
14 litres.
big boy. Nice.
Same black, can't go wrong, can you? The CNC Thornton 100 fuel cap. It's going to look awesome. These, whoever at Triumph fits these all day long, fair play. Because these new 26 fuel sensors, they're a struggle. The other ones used to just slide in so nice.
Hope and pray and hope.
Genuinely, the first one took me half an hour, and also Jody of 10 minutes to fit.
I remember.
I think I've managed to fit it, and I'm not going to tell you how.
So Evan's getting this fuel tank reassembled. We've done the whole thing in this satin black, and that matches all of the Cerakote components, and it ties in really well with those matte carbon wheels. This thing just looks so mean.
This is satin black. These are Cerakote. We sometimes do these
Body colour.
body colour. So that's Cerakote though.
It looks cool.
Yeah, it does look cool.
It's like Batman's bike, bro.
Yeah, to add some colour and put some black tri-colours on. Some photos.
Oh yeah. It's crazy to think that just a few weeks ago, this was an old plain Jane Triumph bobber, and we've completely transformed it into a much more aggressively styled and mean looking bit of kit. We hope you like the final result. Okay guys, so this bike is all done and dusted, and what a beautiful bit of kit this is. Now, this isn't the first satin or matte all blacked out bike that we've done before. However, this is the first one that is based on the 2026 model bike, and there is a lot of subtle differences that you've probably picked up on, such as the headlight is slightly different. We have this great useful charging port on the side of the Speedo now, which we can also tie into the quad lock mount as well, because it's the quad lock stem mount, handlebar mount in there. We've also got lots of very subtle bits, which this bike being satin black, you get to pick up a little bit more. Sun comes out right on cue. We have these different intake runners, and these look fantastic, and also different, slightly different, more angular shape on the side panel, but that follows all the way through to the sprocket cover down under there, and also a slightly more shapely right, we call it an ACG cover, but it's just a stage cover on the right hand side of the engine there. So this thing looks absolutely amazing. Them TKC80s, a lot of people ask me how these ride, and they are bumpy when you're doing 3-4 mile an hour through a car park. However, you get up to speed, and as long as they're scrubbed in, these things are absolutely fantastic. But I think it looks amazing. But guys, you jump in the comments and let me know what you think. And once again, as always, hit the like button and hit that subscribe button, because we're growing rapidly at the moment and we want to keep that momentum. So thank you very much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.
The people want to know, are you going to be back for good now?
No, I might have some more business trips planned.
Bro, what do you think?